Use of an. A is used before words beginning with consonant. A bat. B is consonant. A flag. F is consonant. A gun. G is consonant. An beginning is used before words vowel. An apple. A is vowel. An egg. E is vowel. An ice. I is vowel. An orange. O is vowel. An owl. O is vowel.